The story of Dharma Buddhi and Papa Buddhi. It means good sense and bad sense. Two friends lived in a village. One was Dharma Buddhi and the other was Papa Buddhi. One day the bad guy Papa Buddhi thought, if I can start a business with the good guy Dharma Buddhi, I can cheat him of his share and become a rich man. So he became very friendly with the good guy Dharma Buddhi and explained to him his plans to go into business and make money. Both of them then started for the city. They soon made a lot of money and were on their way back home. Suddenly, they stopped. Papa Buddhi said, "It is not safe to carry so much money. So, let us bury the money here and take a small sum back home." Dharma Buddhi agreed. They buried the money and Papa Buddhi said, "Now we need not be afraid of thieves or burglars." In his mind, however, he decided to come back and steal the Dharma Buddhi's money. At night, Papa Buddhi came with a shovel and stole all the money. Then next day morning, Papa Buddhi went to Dharma Buddhi and asked him to go and get some more money from the hidden place. Dharma Buddhi said, "Why so soon?" He was very reluctant. "I have not spent all the money as yet." But Papa Buddhi insisted. So off they went. But when they dug up the pit, the money was gone. Papa Buddhi charged Dharma Buddhi for stealing the money. Dharma Buddhi was surprised. He tried to explain his innocence. But Papa Buddhi went on insisting that Dharma Buddhi has stolen the money. Papa Buddhi began to quarrel and finally they decided to go to the judge. Papa Buddhi complained to the judge that his partner has stolen the money. Judge asked, "How do you know?" Papa Buddhi said, "Because the forest god has told me." The judge agreed to go to the forest next day in order to verify whether forest god has told him that or not. Then Papa Buddhi came home and told his father that he has stolen the money from Dharma Buddhi and he has to help him out or else he goes to jail. The father agreed and Papa Buddhi explained what his father has to do. Next day, along with Papa Buddhi and Dharma Buddhi, the judge and the juries arrived at the forest where the money was concealed. Papa Buddhi shouted at the tree and said, "Oh, the tree god, tell us, who is the thief?" From inside the trunk a voice came, "Dharma Buddhi is the thief." Dharma Buddhi saw a hole in the trunk of the tree and guessed the foul play. While others were discussing the case, Dharma Buddhi collected some leaves near the hole of the tree trunk. Then he set the leaves on fire. Smokes began to enter the trunk. Very soon Papa Buddhi's father came out of the trunk. He was coughing because of the smoke. Judge and juries were totally surprised. The judge understood all and was angry. Papa Buddhi's father said that his son made him tell the lie. His son is the thief and Dharma Buddhi is innocent. The judge sent Papa Buddhi to jail. And Dharma Buddhi got all the money in compensation. Isn't it that honesty is the best policy?